Hello everybody, I hope you have a great day, and I'm Dr. Wafai, prosthodontist, and today I'm going to talk about how to design an onlay for a molar. Okay, in this case I'm going to write the name, demo onlay, and technician myself, and I have scan number 26. I want to use 3-axis and I want to use lithium disilicate. My milling is so precise that I could do it, the minimal thickness 0.4, gap of 750 microns is okay, and my material is in A3 and border taper 0.4 is good. And actually I don't have antagonist, so I clear it. Okay, and we are going to design. The margins should be in proper position, and the margins should be very precise. And in case that you are going to do the intraoral scan, you need to control the blood and saliva, so have a clean and perfect scan. Okay, this is our model, and as it asks for I will put it like this, and I'm going to draw it by myself. Okay. I changed the color so I could change the margin in proper step. Okay. When you are happy with the results and you think that your margins are perfect, you can proceed to next step. Now it tells me what's the insertion direction. I prefer this insertion. As you can see, the automatic insertion direction gives us a little bit undercuts. Oh my gosh. I think I should accept this insertion direction, because in case that I change it, I have problem with mesial and distal. This is good. And let's see what's happened in case that we change the numbers. Okay, first of all, this goes here, this goes here. Okay. First, as you can see here, we have undercut, and the software removes undercut automatically. What happened in case that I check this thing? Okay, the undercuts are not getting block out. Actually, this is for the borders, but in case that I let the software remove the undercuts, as you can see, let's see what's happening. Yeah, the undercut is completely blocked out. I prefer this thing because when you use do not block undercut, it means that I will remove the undercut in the tooth, in the mouse, and sometimes that's not so easy to do that. And of course you have some design parameters here that you can change from the angle, as you can see here, and how much these pieces look like. Okay, it shows you number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 1 is horizontal, and maybe we prefer to 0 because it will give us a sharp edge. And angled, number 2, also 0. And this one, and the vertical. But in case that you want to have some kind of thick material at the edges or protect the edges, you can do that. And also, as I mentioned before, it's better to increase the